Have you ever spent 30 minutes choosing what to watch on Netflix, 20 minutes deciding what to wear, or days thinking about one important life decision? And in the end, you still feel confused? The truth is, most people are not stuck because they lack options. They are stuck because they can't decide. Indecision silently steals opportunities. While you are thinking, someone else is moving. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to decide faster using 6 powerful principles. And not just theory, I'll give you practical methods you can apply immediately in your daily life. Let's start. 1. Limit your options. The more choices you have, the harder it becomes to decide. This is called analysis paralysis. When your brain sees too many options, it gets overwhelmed, and instead of choosing, it freezes. Successful people don't explore infinite options. They reduce choices quickly. Practical method. Use the rule of 3. Whenever you face a decision, reduce your options to only 3. Compare only those 3. Pick one within 5 minutes for small decisions. Choosing clothes, pick 3 outfits. Choosing business ideas, shortlist top 3. Less options is equal to faster clarity. 2. Draw a line between good and bad choices. Not every option deserves deep thinking. Some options are clearly bad, some are clearly good, but we waste time overthinking obvious things. Decisive people eliminate bad choices instantly. Ask this simple question: will this move my life forward or backward? If it harms your health, wastes your time, distracts you from goals, it's a bad choice. Eliminate it immediately. Train your brain to reject wrong options fast. 3. Listen to your gut feeling. Your intuition is not magic. It is your brain using past experiences at high speed. Sometimes your first instinct is your most honest answer. Overthinking often creates confusion that wasn't there before. Use the 10-second rule. Read or see the option. Pause. Notice your first emotional reaction. Ask, do I feel expansion or contraction? Expansion is equal to good sign. Heavy, uncomfortable feeling is equal to warning sign. Trust your initial signal more often. 4. Think of your time as money. Every minute you spend overthinking is a cost. Time is more valuable than money because you can't earn it back. Indecision wastes time. Fast decisions create momentum. Even imperfect decisions are better than delayed decisions. Set a decision deadline. Small decisions, 5 minutes max. Medium decisions, 24 hours. Big decisions, 72 hours. After the deadline, decide. No extensions. This builds decision muscle. 5. Know that decisiveness grows with each decision. Confidence in decision-making doesn't come first. It grows after repetition. Just like going to the gym builds muscle, making decisions builds mental strength. The more you decide, the easier it becomes. Practice micro-decisions daily. For 1 week, decide your morning routine without hesitation. Order food quickly. Reply to messages without over-editing. Train speed in small areas. It transfers to big decisions automatically. 6. Remember that indecision kills. Indecision kills. Opportunities, confidence, momentum, self-respect. When you don't choose, life chooses for you. And most of the time, that's not the best outcome. Action creates clarity, not thinking. Ask yourself this powerful question: what will happen if I do nothing? Visualize. Missed opportunity, regret. Someone else taking your place. Let the fear of regret push you into action. Sometimes deciding imperfectly is better than not deciding at all. Deciding faster is not about being reckless. It's about being clear, disciplined, and action-oriented. Remember, limit options. Eliminate bad choices. Trust your gut. Value your time. Practice daily. And never let indecision steal your future. The person who decides faster grows faster. If this video helped you, comment below, "I decide fast," and tell me, which decision are you delaying right now? Like this video, share it with someone who overthinks too much, and subscribe for more practical self-growth strategies. See you there.